Hi, Cassia parents. This is Mrs. Thomander, and this is my cute assistant. And today we are going to play a game that you could do at your house, around your kitchen table, maybe when you're making dinner. This game would be for struggling readers or even new readers. So I'm going to ask my assistant. I've got pennies, cereal, whatever you have around the house. I'm going to have her bring down each sound she hears when I give her the word. Okay? So the word is cat. And I like how she said each sound, k-at. So let's say it all together. Ready? Cat. And how many sounds did you hear in that word?
3.
Great. Good job. Let's try some with cereal. Okay. This word is going to be clip. So think about how many sounds you hear, and let's break it down. Ready? K, U, I, P. Okay, let's say it all together. Ready? Clip. Good job. And how many sounds are in there? Okay, you're not supposed to do that. Guys, have a great day and enjoy playing this easy, fun game with your family.